So welcome children. With your book and Phoenix Enlighten Your Brain General Knowledge Standard 5. You have this book with you. Open chapter 33 Colorful World. In this we are going to read about different colors and the things related with that. So first of all we are going to read about the yellow fever. The yellow fever, it is yellow in color and it is a viral disease which affects liver and kidneys. So this yellow fever is caused by a virus, okay, and it is affecting liver and kidneys. It is caused by female mosquito. Female mosquito, which mosquito? Female Aedes mosquito, and it is transmitted through the virus within the mosquito, and the virus is inside the mosquito and the disease is spread. You know that the mosquito, it bites anyone, and afterwards if it bites to another person, then they transmit the virus. Now all ages and genders are open, so people of every age group can get it, and either male or female all can get this disease, can suffer from this disease. Now the next one is red fort, red in color, a historic fort in the city of Delhi. So where it is? It is a historic fort in the city of Delhi. It is in Delhi. Then the Red Fort is a historical fortification in the old Delhi area. So where it is? It is in Delhi, and Shah Jahan constructed it in the year 1639. So it was constructed by Shah Jahan, and he had shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi, and the emperors, it was used for the emperors of the Mughal dynasty, and it has its name due to the red sandstone walls. Now we are going to read about the white ants. So white ants, these are the insects, okay, white in color, and they feed on wood, destroying trees and timber. So they are feeding on wood, they are destroying trees, they are destroying the timber, wood also. You may find this, that when there is moisture, okay, when there is moisture, and you have, if many books or copies or any kind of things are kept over there, then you may after few months, if they have not been taken from there, then it is the possibility that there can be these white ants, and they eat away all the things. Now we are going to read about Red Cross. So what is Red Cross? Red Cross is an international organization that cares for the wounded, sick and homeless. So this is organization that looks after the wounded people, the sick people, and about the homeless who needs their help. So it is International Committee of the Red Cross looking after the sick people, as you can see over here. Then now we are going to read about White House. So it is the official residence of the US President. So US President, he resides, he lives over here. The White House is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. So the President of the United States, he lives in this White House. And where it is located? It is located at the address 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, North NW, Northwest in Washington DC. You can see White House, white in color. Then Green Island. So the Green Island is the world's largest island. Let us see about this. So Green Island is Coral Cay, 27 kilometer. So that is 27 kilometers, 17 miles offshore from Cairns, Queensland, where it is located. That Cairns, Queensland, and it is in Australia, located within the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park World Heritage Area. You can see over here that these are the coral reefs, okay. The island is surrounded by the coral reef and protected in the Green Island National Park. So different kinds of coral reefs you can see over here. Then we are going to discuss about The Orange River. The Orange River is the longest river in South Africa. So Orange river in southern Africa, one of the longest rivers on the continent and one of the longest south of the Tropic of Cancer. So it is located in this river in southern Africa, and it is the longest the continent of Africa. Now greyhound. Greyhound, it is a tall, slender breed of dog used for hunting small game. So here it is grey in color, named greyhound. Now greyhound were originally bred as hunting dogs to chase hare, foxes and deer. So why they were made? So these they were made for hunting dogs, as hunting dogs. They were made as hunting dogs. And why? To chase whom? To go after this hare, foxes and deer, to hunt them. Then canines, it is a breed, okay, of dog breed, can reach speeds of 40 to 45 miles. So they can reach a speed of 40 to 45 miles per hour, and so they are known as the Ferraris in the dog world due to their speed. Now green finger, natural ability in growing plants. So this green fingers, it is a natural ability in growing plants. If anyone says you have green finger, it means that you are able to grow plants very nicely. Green plants very nicely. You are good in growing the green plants. Green in color. Now blue whale. Blue whale is the largest living animal in the world. Let us read. So tongue of the blue whale, it weighs as much as an elephant. So weight of tongue of this blue whale is as elephant, weight of elephant. Now 30 elephants, they weigh one blue whale, and 160 people, they also make a blue whale. They weigh as a blue whale, one blue whale. Now we are going to read about greenhouse. So greenhouse is a glass building in which plants that need protection from cold weather are grown. So the plants which needs to survive in the through the cold weather, they are grown inside this. So which needs protection from the cold weather. A greenhouse, what it does, it traps the sun's energy, solar energy inside. It keeps the sun's energy inside, makes and keeps the plants warm over there. And different types of plants are grown here, and the plants we can get in all the seasons. Now we are going to read about the Red Sea. So the sea that lies between Africa and Asia is the Red Sea. You can see this, named after red color. Now why it is called Red Sea? Actually this sea is not red in color. Okay, the Red Sea is the saltiest sea of all the seas that connect to the ocean without even one river meeting the sea. So in this sea not a single river meets, and it goes and meets the ocean. A popular hypothesis about the origin. So a story is that about the name is that it contains cyanobacteria. It is said that it contains cyanobacteria, and the name of the cyanobacteria is Trichodesmium erythraeum, which turns the normally blue-green water a reddish brown. So this bacteria, it turns the blue-green water into reddish brown. As you can see here, these are the algae. Now and helped in turning to Red Sea. Now Greenpeace. What is Greenpeace? Greenpeace is an organization that works to save natural world. So this Greenpeace, it is an international organization, and the work of this international organization or the Greenpeace is that it wants that our nature, it should remain as it is. Okay, there should not be any kind of disturbance, and the environment or the climate, it should be pure. Okay, the environment, it should be good, and there should not be global warming or any kind of, there should not be any kind of nuclear attacks also, nuclear. So they are these or this organization, it works so that the habitat, it remains nicely. Then the next one is yellow card. Why yellow card? This yellow card is a card shown by the referee to a player being cautioned. So the player to whom this referee is showing yellow card, he is being warned to play nicely in the game if he does any kind of problem. Now a yellow card is shown by the referee to indicate that a player has been officially cautioned, that the player has been warned. A player who has been cautioned may continue playing in the game. So the referee, when he shows this yellow card, then he is warning the player that now play nicely, dear. Now however, a player who receives a second caution in a match is sent off. Now if another time he has to, the referee has to show the yellow card, that means now he has to go. Now shown the yellow card again, and then a red card, and afterwards he will be shown a red card. Now let us see what is red card. A card shown by the referee who is being sent off the field. So this card is shown by the referee to the player who is being sent off the field. Let us know about that red card. A red card is shown by a referee to signify that a player must be sent off. Now the referee wants that the player should now go out of the game. He has not played nicely, he has not followed the rules of the game, so he should go off. A player who has been sent off is required to leave the field of immediate play immediately. That means now the player has to leave the game, as he has been shown the red card. Must take no further part in the game. Now he will not be allowed to play the game and cannot be replaced by a substitute. Now any other player cannot play in the team at that time, forcing their team to play with one player fewer. So if the person is made out of the game, okay, if the player is made out of the game, that means one player will be less and the team has to play with one less player. Now a blackboard. The blackboard will be black in color. A classroom board for writing on it by a teacher. So now what happens? The teacher, he is writing on a blackboard, and you can see chalk over there, and he uses a chalk to write on the blackboard. You have whiteboard in which you write with in which we write with the black marker, and here teacher is using blackboard and here he is using a white chalk. Now he writes on the board. Okay, we write on the board and you see whatever is written you follow, and the teacher tries to explain it nicely. Now the next one is longest living things, and the longest living thing is the redwood tree. Is the longest living thing is the redwood tree, and it lives for a long time. Now redwood tree is believed to be the world's tallest tree, and you can see it is very tall. Here how much it is? Here you can see 100 feet, then 200 feet, then 300 feet, and it has grown above 379 feet. Can understand that to grow this much of height, how much long it has to live. So this is the longest living thing. Now the next one is an area of open land around the city. So an area of open land around the city is called the Greenbelt Park. Now the Greenbelt is the area where we find that green land, where we find the green land, and where the people they used to go out, they used to move over there, they used the children they play over there, and that area is used for walking, jogging, doing exercises, and this is open land around the city. Now you have to learn, and green belt, it is named green belt as it is green in color. So now children, you have to read and learn all the things. You have listened very carefully. Thank you very much.